What's up, YouTube? Bobby Land coming at you with another video. A couple days ago, we went to the first Providence car show of 2021 here in April and got to see lots of cool cars. My nephew was there with his brand new SV. Got to see Tyler give away a couple of his pictures and stuff. It was really a good event. You know, just got to talk to a lot of amazing people and share our story. Most of the people in my family that were there, we all got to share stories with people, and just seeing how my nephew's car helped open up those communication channels. But you know, right here, this video that I'm about to show you, this is what it's about. And I'm gonna leave you guys with that until the next video.
Project that they've just started. Oh, awesome. Y'all go to church there? No, ma'am. Okay.
What's his name?
Ezra.
Ezra, you getting ready to hear a Lamborghini start up, buddy?
Hey, Ezra. He's gonna start, buddy.
You gonna start it?
He's gonna start.
Push that button right there.
Push this little button right here for me. Hold it down, okay? Just hold it down. Did you just try and crank this Lamborghini? Yeah, that's it. Give me a thumbs up. Good job, Bubba. Look this way again. Hey, give me a thumbs up. Awesome. Hey, good job.
All right. But let him do it. Yeah, turn it off. There you go. Good job, buddy. All right, Tyler, who's the picture for here?
Joseph Scott.
Yes, all right.
Fastback Saloon.
All right.
That's awesome.
Awesome. Good job, guys.
Yes, sir.